walking towards like a viewpoint. You can already see the mountain here in Toledo. It's really hot today and I decided to walk and there's no one is walking. But it's just like a 15 minutes walk to where I'm going. So right now I found a viewing point. You can see the city is really old. I'm not sure about the history. I just ran a walk 10 minutes to get here and it's not like a very steep walk, so it's manageable. Look. We're walking further up and I want to see the view better. This is not the main side of like the castle or palace or cathedral. Not sure, I didn't do much research before coming here. I'm just like, I want to do a casual walk without much planning, just to admire the city a bit without going to like certain places. But this looks nice already and I want to show you. So now I'm walking and I like that already. And right now I'm walking up there to see the view. It's a World Heritage Site and so history, I just loved architecture. Coming from here wasn't too bad. My hotel was in Atocha, which is like a bit further from the main area is, but I took the train to a station and then wait for a bus. The bus was like 15 minutes ride, but waiting for a bus was very long. So now I'm just walking around in I don't know where. So my purpose of the trip is not to follow everyone. Ooh, look at this, but to walk around and see what I find. I'm just like trying to go somewhere different and see the view. I'll show you. See. or like I'm not sure where to get there. So anyway, I'm here for work. Oh my god, can't believe I'm saying it, but I'm here for work. So I'm shooting a commercial in Madrid, and I'm here for a week, and it's so fun. It's my first big commercial to go to somewhere new, and it's all inclusive, sort of. So I get to travel and do the things I love, which is so blessed, and I'm so happy. For real. And right now we are in this bridge. This is where the plaza is, and if you walk down here it's the bridge. So if you don't have time to wander around, this is your way.